Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lydia. And if you are one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I have another exciting review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Cuffing Season Room Spray by Forvr Mood. So if you guys want to see this review, go ahead and stay tuned. So you guys, I was completely unaware that Forvr Mood even had room sprays before purchasing this. And one day I was literally just scrolling through Instagram and I saw an ad for the Cuffing Season room spray as well as the Left on Red room spray. I was completely flipping out because those scents are my favorite scents from her candle line. So I literally purchased it immediately and I was super excited to try it. I love candles and I love home fragrances, but honestly, before I purchased my Forvr Mood Discovery set, I hadn't burned a candle in a very long time. And I feel like these are an amazing alternative to burning candles, especially if you're traveling and you're either in a hotel or an Airbnb, which may not be the best place to light a candle while you're visiting. You could bring one of these room sprays and be able to set that homey type vibe in whatever space you're in without lighting a candle. And I'm very happy that I have this room spray now because I can do the same thing in my home. If I don't feel like burning a candle at the moment, I could just take this and do a couple spritzes and get that exact same effect. So without further ado, let me show you guys what the box looks like up close. So that is what the box looks like up close. It has this beautiful beige ombre effect, just like the packaging for the Cuffing Season candles. And it has their signature luxurious gold writing as well as logo on the box. The box is extremely sturdy and well made, just like all of their products. Now let me show you guys what the actual bottle looks like up close. And that is what the bottle looks like up close. And it has the same gorgeous frosted glass as the actual Cuffing Season candle, which I absolutely love. And you guys, I was really pleasantly surprised when I unboxed this and I saw that the bottle was actually made of glass. I don't know why, but when I ordered this, I was expecting it to either be plastic or maybe metal. But when I felt that it was glass, I was like, whoa, like you can feel the quality of these products. And this bottle is a 2.7 ounce or an 80 milliliter. So you definitely get a nice amount. And just like the actual Cuffing Season candle, the top notes are fresh ozone, salty lemon, and mineral citrus. In the heart, there's iris, violet, and jasmine. And in the base, there's Douglas fir, rainforest moss, and white cedar. Now, since I do have the actual candle, I've smelled this fragrance before, but I've never actually sprayed it from the bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a spray, and we're gonna see what we're working with. Oh, it smells so good. Whoa. And you guys, of course, it smells exactly like the candle. It's pretty strong, so it has really nice projection. It just smells luxurious. It smells beautiful. It smells classy and sophisticated. I'm gonna give it a couple more sprays just in my room. I feel like one spray, you're good. You can fill a room. If you want it to be really, really strong, 2 sprays, and just the entire room will be filled with this fragrance. It just smells beautiful. I definitely am going to purchase the Left on Red room spray just so I can have them both. And to my knowledge, those are the only 2 room sprays that they have right now. To my knowledge, don't quote me on that. But when I checked, it was only Cuffing Season and Left on Red. And y'all, from the first time I tried these products, I was in love. When I purchased this room spray, I had different intentions in mind. And I had intended on using it for something that wasn't its original purpose. For those of you who saw my Forvr Mood candle review, I mentioned how I wish that she would come out with fragrances of the actual candle so you could wear your favorite scent. So when I saw the room spray, I had the bright idea of using it as a perfume. Now, you guys, Come closer. I am in no way suggesting that any of you guys do that because I haven't done it since I read the directions and everything. I'm just telling you guys that was my intention when I purchased this fragrance. But on the actual Forvr Mood website, I saw that you can spray it on your bedding and you can spray it on your furniture and stuff like that. So maybe in the future, I might lightly miss an outfit that I plan on wearing, maybe, but I won't be putting it on my skin. So I don't recommend that any of you guys do that. I was just trying to let you guys know my thought process when I purchased this. And these products are literally just amazing. They smell amazing. They make your home smell amazing. And I'm so happy that I discovered these and that I can actually collect them now and add them to my fragrance collection. So y'all, I'm completely in love. This is going to be my summer home fragrance. It literally smells like a bougie summer in a bottle. So I'm gonna spray my bedding and everything. So every time I walk into my room, I'm going to smell this amazing, luxurious fragrance. Now y'all, as always, I will have this linked below in the description box so that you guys can pick it up and try it out for yourselves. And also, if there are any other Forvr Mood candle scents that you guys think I should try next, let me know what those are down below in the comment section. Well guys, that was my review of Forvr Mood Cuffing Season, the room spray. As always, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video and I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.